Hi, I'm Vance, and welcome to Repair and Replace. If your stove's heating element stays on and is powered even when the burner is turned off, then it's most likely an issue with the heat switch. Turn the dial and see if you can get the switch to snap back into place. A faulty switch might be difficult to turn or might not sit correctly in the off position. If this doesn't help, then it's possible that the contacts inside the switch are fused together. This will constantly provide power to the burner, so it's best to turn off the breaker to disconnect power. In this episode, I'll show you how to replace a faulty heat switch in a ceramic or conventional stove. Let's get started. To begin, you might need a screwdriver, nut driver, pliers, and gloves. Heat switches come in a variety of configurations. To find a match, enter your model number on the AMRE Supply website. From there, you'll see a parts breakdown with the exact replacement parts listed for your model. Since there might be some sharp edges, it's best to wear cut-resistant gloves. Gently pull the range slightly away from the wall. As soon as there's enough room, go in behind and unplug it from the receptacle. Make sure that there isn't too much tension on the cord. Now, slide the range all the way out so you have plenty of room to work. On the back of the oven is a cover panel. Some models have a small panel near the top and a larger panel near the bottom. Now remove the screws. The panel will likely be sitting on several hooks. Simply lift up to remove the panel. To remember where each wire goes, it's best to take a picture for reference. Some models have individual wires, while other models group multiple wires with a hard plastic connector. Now disconnect the wires. Go to the front and pull the dial off the switch. Now remove the screws and slide the switch out of the mount. If the new switch has a longer stem than the old one, then use the pliers to snap off the top to the right length. Insert the new switch and line up the holes. Now replace the mounting screws. Align the flat side of the dial to the flat part of the stem and push it into place. Now reconnect the wires. Align the back panel and replace the screws. Now plug in the cord and push the range back into place. Next, reconnect the power. Now you can test your stove. For more troubleshooting videos on water heaters, furnaces, and appliances, then subscribe to our channel. And if you need help, you can call or visit our neighboring location to talk with our knowledgeable staff. Thanks for watching.